Let's begin the game. Tyra, you go first.
1 down.
Come, let's update total score till round 1.
Now, this part is very tricky. Watch out.
How can total score appear on both sides of the equal sign?
This program simply means to look up for the value stored in the variable total score and add the value 10 to it. So, if total score was 0 before, it is set to 10 afterward.
But it looks mathematically incorrect to me. If total score is 0, then total score equals total score plus 10 gives us 10. But 0 equals 10. Doesn't make sense. Only Zoe would do that.
You need not worry about equality in Python, Theo. The equal sign simply means the variable in the left holds the value in the right.